Where do I put it? That's always the question. Where do I put it? Where do I put it? I'm going to show you. Let's start with the storage underneath the couch here. Open it up. It's all custom made. Right in there. A lot of stuff can go there. Let's go to the back and I'll show you what I did at the back. Now these units were built to store a lot of stuff. I'll open them up and show you the inner workings and how you can access it from the outside. Check it out. Now this doesn't cost that much money. It's just some 2x2s and some shiplap that I got put across the front of this, and some cheap panels I got at a salvage store, and latches. Now the reason these latches are here is because we went out once and we had some food here, and this thing opened up, and when we got to our campsite there was salsa, mayonnaise, peanut butter, everything all over the floor. But simple setup. Just unflip this. I have on the side for this one. Unflip it. Bring it down. And you can see we just put storage containers in there. Clothes, whatever you need, you know, kitchen items or whatever you have. Same thing up here. Some games, and those are empty, ready to go camping. Put that stuff in there. So that's pretty useful. Close it up and make sure you lock it down because it will open. And on this side we have even another one. All that storage, you can store stuff there. And hey, you can see the outside. Speaking of the outside, let's go out there and I'll show you, let you see what it looks like from behind. I think you're going to be amazed. Now I had to put a little bit of thought into this. I went ahead and carpeted the back tailgate so you can actually level it off at the campsite and have like a back deck if you want to, but that's not what I'm trying to show you. Here's the back side of the storage. You can access everything from the outside as well. Those are the doors right there to the inside. Got AC outlet there. We got more storage down here. Most importantly, a special place for the spare tire, air conditioning, and then in a few minutes I'll move these chairs and show you what's on this side. Now guys, as funny as it may seem, this is the actual toilet. We got a porta potty back here behind the curtains, which is accessible from the inside, and we got a little bit of storage area right here for things like toilet paper and air fresheners and wipes and whatever you need. So it works out pretty good. Lighting for nighttime so you won't disturb anyone while you're doing your business. But yeah, this is pretty much it for the storage portion of it. Follow us along and we'll go through the rest of the trailer on some other videos. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Later.